Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel The Middle Path. In this video we'll make a herbal medicinal tea using fresh hibiscus flowers. This tea acts as a coolant and can be consumed regularly in summer season to reduce the body heat. This tea can be taken in an empty stomach in the morning as a refreshing drink. I have taken 6 hibiscus flowers for making 2 cups of tea. We'll also require half lemon and some powdered jaggery. Pluck away the style and the sepals of each flowers and wash the petals with water. Hibiscus has a lot of medicinal properties. Hibiscus helps in purifying blood. This herbal tea improves metabolism, reduces inflammation, improves blood circulation, detoxifies the liver. Hibiscus is also pitta pacifying. It cools down the heat of the body and balances kapha. Hibiscus helps increase iron in the body and is good for anemic patients. Hibiscus also helps in relieving excessive menstrual bleeding and menstrual cramps. So if you like my work, please do like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Turn on the flame on the stove and let the mixture boil for 3 to 4 minutes. Once the petals turn pale, turn off the flame and cover a lid on the tea. Let it rest for a minute. Now use a steel strainer and strain the tea into the glass. This herbal tea can be used as an alternative for the tea and coffee, as the tea and coffee contain caffeine, which is addictive, sugar which is unhealthy, and usually the dairy milk. So you can swap to this herbal tea. This herbal tea can be consumed instead of tea or coffee. I will make a series of videos on different types of herbal teas which can be consumed as an alternative to the tea or coffee. Add few drops of lemon juice into each glasses and mix well. Herbal teas are dairy free and vegan. People who go vegan and are in the transition process can choose so many varieties of healthy herbal teas instead of the monotonous tea and coffee. People who find it difficult to make vegan milk every day can use these herbal teas as an alternative and make a cycle of different decoctions which would boost our health and immunity too. You can also add powdered jaggery to get a nice sweet taste. We will never get bored of a monotonous taste as we have plenty of options, varieties of tastes of different herbs. Now the tea is ready to consume. Thank you for watching this video till end and please do subscribe the channel.